Sure. Done and done. We could use a third fighter. What do you say? Me? Eventually. Oh, wow! Come on, let's do it! You ready? We've got a lot of ground to cover.
Awesome! Let's go! Are we there yet? Wow.
Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Look, over there. Wait, what's he doing here?
What up, fam? Can I help?
Give it up! Or else!
Over there.
You can't be serious.
No way!
Yep, you're up, girl. Now go!
What am I supposed to do here?
Come on!
Ha! Got it!
Oh, I know. Whoops.
Oh no! Yikes!
Wait! No! Got it!
Who would have thought?
Nailed it!
Woohoo! I did it!
Whatever.
Not so fast, bro.
Okay, fine. Just take it.
Open sesame. Mine!
Wow! Look!
It's giving power!
I feel it!
Let's go! Come on! You coming? Nah, I'll catch you till later. Okay, have fun, girl.
Off to makeup!
We're close, I think.
What's that?
It's a camera. Look! Isn't it cute?
What?
Okay, glasses off.
Okay…
Now look straight ahead.
Jeez!
Yep, here it comes. Wanna see?
Huh? I shouldn't have looked! Hey, gimme!
Hold it. Not so fast. I have work to do.
Not a lot, I hope.
Well, it's certainly not a little. Just leave it to me. Those pores. I can fix it. Assemble.
Wow!
I know. But they're nothing without a talented artist. Let's cleanse people. Oh yeah. Well, feels good, huh? It's gonna look even better. See?
My zits! They're gone!
Just like your unibrow.
Ouch! It burns! But I kinda dig it.
Next up, time to make these eyes pop. Sparkle? Yes, please. Boom! Can't forget about the lips. Pucker up, Buttercup. Some of my best work.
For sure!
I guess my work is done here.
On to the next! I'm talking fashion, baby!
Wow! It's like a mall! Look!
Look at this one! And this? I've never seen anything like it. Ooh! Hi! Oh no! Oh yes!
I got this! Hey! Let go!
I work here.
Oh, that explains it.
What can I help with?
Well, we need something like this.
Oh, say less. I'm sure we'll find something.
That's it! That's it, right?
$100, please. Oh, I don't…
Fine. You take large bills? Oh. Okay then. Odd. Whoa, not out! In! What's wrong with this thing?
That can't be good.
Where's our reset button? Oh, there we go.
Your dollar! There! I got it!
Thank goodness. Anyway, on we go. Good morning! Well?
Whoa! Pardon me. Thank you.
Oh, it was nothing.
Where were we? Here. Whoa! This is so sick!
It's perfect!
The perfect shade of blue! Ooh!
Yes! Up high!
Thanks, girl! See you later!
Come on, hurry!
Now to complete my look.
What? Wait a sec. Who's that?
Hello again. Hey, my shoes?
Psst. Over here! Hey! A little help here, please?
Nobody hurts our friend!
We're going in!
Hey, get out of here!
Whoa!
Nice. Hope you're hungry.
Chopsticks?
Huh? Oh no!
Yep, that's right. Come.
Shall we?
Good thing I skipped breakfast.
Eat up, ladies.
I'm getting full.
Yikes, that's a lot of noodles. I have an appetite left.
Yeah, you do.
Shall we spice things up a bit? Ha ha! How do you like that?
Oh, man. Huh? I hate spicy food!
Spicy? Oh no!
What the? Just keep eating. I'm trying. This is getting intense.
Oh no, she's gonna blow.
Don't do it! Fire! Oh no, it's on me! Help!
Looks like we made it. Loser.
That's right. These boots are mine. Cute, right?
They look great. Quick, come on.
Next up, a weapon. What?
Aw, seriously? Hold on. Now try.
Well?
Who's that?
He's welding something. Look!
Whoa.
Who goes there?
Come on. Go!
Hi.
Well, what do you want?
Can you make me one of these?
Interesting. I've got just the thing. See?
Oh, these darts?
Yeah. Now throw 'em.
What? Really? Try it.
Definitely.
Okay, here goes nothing.
Hey! Aw, man.
Was that weird?
Oh no! Keep trying! Maybe I can help. You get what I'm saying?
Okay. Uh-oh.
I got it! Nailed it!
What?
Yes! Nice shot!
I can't stand for this. Okay, just to get you out of here.
What are you making me?
Here.
Wow, they're beautiful! And light. Thanks.
Way to go, girl!
Elevator going up.
Wow!
A real microphone.
Use it!
Really?
That'll tell you if you're any good.
Okay. I'll give it a go.
Oh! Yikes, she's awful! Oh dear. Stop!
Hi!
No.
Sweet relief. Here, we'll help you out. Yep. Uh-huh.
Oh,
She's getting better! Nope, she's not. Ugh!
Ow!
Hey, she's getting good! Ready, set, sing!
Yeah, baby!
Now we're grooving! Sounds like a winner to me! Yep, that's right!
Woohoo!
So good!
Come on! What's next?
I don't know. You can do it! You're ready, see? You're who you're meant to be!
Bring it in, girls!
Let's go! Top floor, please!
So many people!
Yep.
Oh!
Wow! Huh? What's wrong? Where did she go? They're turning on us! Unboxing time. Let's see which Labubus you got.
Wow, these are awesome! We totally need to build them houses!
Okay. This works.
Ugh. Such a klutz.
We need something like glue here. Oh yeah. Hubba Bubba will work. Yummy. Glue is ready. Let's put it here and set the wall.
You sure about that?
Yep. Same thing on the other side and one more floor up. Nice. Now add a window here and done.
Whoa! Time to get serious. Watch how to attach the walls properly.
Careful! Told ya.
Ouch, that hurt. Gotta try another way. That's it. Whoa! Take those here, and we start building. Secure it here, and here too. Now flip it over.
Hey, I don't want to live upside down.
Relax. Just add more tape here to keep it safe. Done. Hey, how did that happen? Can you help?
Sure, no problem.
Whew, nice. Thanks.
Looks like it's move-in time. I'm inside, but I don't like it.
Huh?
I hate white walls.
I know. I'll paint everything. Let's start on this side. Ugh, this is harder than it looks. Come on, paint already. Whew, finally. What? That's it?
Looks like it'll only take a couple years.
No way. It's so hot. Time for a drink. My favorite soda. Oh yeah. Wait a sec. This always turns my tongue blue. I've got an idea. First, pour the soda in here. Like this.
Nice. What are you doing?
You'll see. Don't move.
Don't shoot!
Relax. You're not my target.
Oh, now I get it.
Whoa, cool blaster. Freeze! Yes! Painting done. Awesome. What about you?
Let's go. I'll start with the roof. This is taking forever. Come on! Oh no! Ugh.
Hey, Cody. Give her this.
Okay. Here. This is for you.
Oh, thanks. Now I get it. This wrapper is perfect for my roof. Oh yeah, nice. Let's keep going. Add this inside. And stick on the wallpaper. Yay! Do you like it?
Wow, you nailed it.
So, do the Labubus like their houses?
I like it. Yeah, not bad.
Phew. Then snack time.
Right, I'm hungry too. Come here, yummy snack.
Sorry, but I don't have a bed.
Alright, alright. Oh, I know. Let's take 2 sticks and glue a couple more on top. Connect everything with popsicle sticks, like this. Add a few more sticks here. Achoo! Oh, this'll help. Thread the string through the fabric like this. And hang it as a hammock. Done! Your bed is ready. Let's decorate the bedroom and add some details. Put a coffee table here. And a rug right here. Nice.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I'm full.
Since you're free, I need a bed too.
Easy peasy. First, let's lay these sticks like this and glue them together. Add sticks in the corners and some clay balls. Flip it over and add lace curtains like this. This'll hold it all together. And the bed is done. So cute! Put it here. Nice. Add a pillow, a dresser, and a rug. And a nightstand with a few decorations. Done! Try it!
Alright, bedtime.
So comfy.
Meanwhile, I'll watch my show.
1, 2, 3. Ugh.
What's that?
A dumbbell.
I want one too.
Okay, let's do this. Let's take 2 popsicle sticks and cut the third into pieces. Glue the pieces like this. Nice. Ooh, that's heavy. Put the bench here and add the bar holder like this.
There's still lots of space.
Oh, this is it. Just the wrong color. Much better. Now add these sticks and wrap thread around them like this. Done. Whoa, cool ring. Put it here and add the punching bag. Looks like match time. You in?
Okay.
Let's start. First, we decide who goes first.
1, 2, 3. I won! Yay!
Oh yeah? Take this! And this! Yes! You lost!
Not fair.
Hey girl, is that your sock? Let's use it. I need to set up the room.
No problem. First, let's grab some sand. Build a sock like this. Tie it tight and cut off the extra. Take the top part and secure it with a hair tie like this. Nice! Let's put these seats right here. Now add the TV and a couple of coffee tables. Snacks go here. Let's finish decorating the rest of the room. That's it! Ready for a movie?
Totally!
Hey, wait for me! Whoa, what are we watching?
Go away!
Ouch. Fine then.
I'm hungry too, actually.
That's why I needed the popsicle sticks, see? Now we'll set up your kitchen. Add a mini fridge and everything else like this. Drinks go here, and food is served. Enjoy!
Hey, wanna grab a snack? Gladly!
Nice work, buddy!
That's unhealthy! Go back to your house right now! Now we'll make your own kitchen. Add chairs, a cabinet, and the rest of the set like this. There you go! Dig in!
Nice!
Awesome! High five!
Left to design the courtyard. Add this and this. Looks done. Let's see. Huh? This is trash!
Maybe just use pencils?
Oh, you might be right. Let's take 2 long pencils and glue lots of short ones across them like this. Add more. Perfect. Fence done. Oh yeah, time to place it. Let's add the same on the other side. And lay down this cool grass. Put a couple chairs. And what's a yard without a cool car? Vroom, vroom! Wow!
This is so cool!
Oh yeah!
Whoa! Will you make one for me?
Try using this.
Okay. First, let's add a few more sticks and stack them like this. Now paint them the right color, and done! This'll be the prettiest fence! Add a bit of green grass, put a jacuzzi here, and all the coolest stuff. Just like that. I can't believe it's done! So, which house did you like the most? Write your opinion in the comments. Let's build the coolest Labubu houses together!